Hello everyone and welcome to Gizmo One, and here is a screen protector. Okay, the screen protector is nice. It's an accessory glass, so I hope it's the same glass which we are getting on the phone, or it might be not as good as that. So to apply the screen protector perfectly, you can either follow your own method or you can go ahead and follow my method. My method is simple. I'll use a wet wipe. Take out the wet wipe and rub it gently over the screen, and all the edges and all the corners, make sure you rub it very gently. And once it is done, take out the dry wipe and wipe the excess liquid which is there on your screen. Just gently go ahead and wipe everywhere. Once you're sure it is sufficiently wiped and it is looking good and there is no more water or any liquid on the screen, we can install our screen protector. I'm back. I have aligned it perfectly and I have added some tape here on all the three corners. Normally what I do is I just lift my screen protector a little bit like this, then I'm going to remove this cover and I'm going to let the screen fall down so that it immediately goes down and it sets into place. If you want to go ahead and follow this method, you can do, or else if you have your own method, let us know in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and apply this. Once you're done applying, this is how it looks. So this will be it for today. If you like the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you would like to see more unboxing video like this, please do let us know in the comment section. So until then, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.